I love the location so much. It's so pretty around there, and it made it all the better that it was such a lovely sunny day, and it was actually my first time going out since lockdown when we did this shoot, so it just made it all the better, and I was just so grateful to be out and about again and in such a beautiful location. There were so many cool areas to shoot in, like we had the ponds, lovely arches, pillars and trees, so it was just perfect location. My favourite images and moments of shooting were probably when we started shooting in the white dress. The location has quite a kind of wedding venue feel to it, so we decided to go with a kind of bridal style. Because it's quite long and flowy, I suggested perhaps spinning around and doing some shots in motion to really capture the movement of the dress and to capture the whole atmosphere and ambience of the place. It's so much more fun when you actually have a collaboration like that and a photographer that you can, you know, bounce ideas off with, and you have more of a creative input then. Like, it just makes it so much more creative for you as the model. Instead of just, you know, turning up, doing a few poses and stuff, you actually have a lot more of an input.
Thank you so much for checking this out. Celeste said some really cool stuff, so I thought I would let her just take over the narration for this one. As usual, all the images are in the description below, so go and check those out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.